Good morning, everyone. We are continuing here in the words of the Meishiv Nefesh. And he brings a saying today from the Chazon Ish, who was one of the greatest Torah giants of the previous generation. Oyimrim b'shem Chazon Ish, they say in the name of the Chazon Ish, Ein kunz laharois ulahachriv. There's no kunz, it's nothing spectacular, there's no skill or talent that's involved in destroying and knocking things down. Anybody can do that. Even a child knocks down his blocks and his Legos, no problem. Animals can jump into things and jump on top of things and they can destroy them completely. So ein kunz, there's no special skill involved in destroying things. However, hakunz hamiti, the real kunz, the real trick, or the talent, or the skill that a person needs to have in this world, is who live nice, is to build. You could destroy yourself all day long. You could have all these negative thoughts inside of your head. I'm a nothing, I'll never accomplish, I'm mean, I'm cruel, I have this wrong, this problem, and this bad trait, all the different things. I didn't accomplish this, I'll never accomplish that. A person could destroy themselves all day long. But to build themselves up, to be someone whose thoughts and his mind and the words that are rolling off of his lips are positive, building, reinforcing words, that's the kunz, that's the special talent and a skill that a person needs in the world today. And he brings here in the notes the following. He says, B'mokoim lahachlish, in a place where you are going to weaken, don't weaken, rather l'chazek, strengthen. Levakir, l'shaper, when you are going to come to ruin something, be mishaper, correct it, fix it. Lahashpil, instead of lowering something and putting something down, lagbia, build somebody up. Ledacha, instead of crushing somebody, leroimeim, elevate them, show them how great they are. Lemayet, instead of making someone's accomplishments small and as if they're insignificant. Laharbais, show how great they are, how much they can do, increase your activities. Lekalkel, instead of destroying and ruining things. Lesakein, fix things up. Li'atzban, instead of making a person depressed or a person being a sad individual. Lesameach, joy, rejoice in life. And litzoik, instead of screaming and yelling, la'oidei, stay calm and relaxed and gentle. This is the way that a person needs to behave in this world. There are negatives and there are positives in everything in life. Our job is, negative is easy to come by. Our job truly is to accentuate all the positives, because that's where the real avodah, that's where the real service of a person lies here in this world. And like the Chazon Ish writes, it's no talent or skill to destroy something. A bulldozer can destroy. However, to get your hands in from the ground floor up and start building and sculpting and creating and making things look the way that they should, that takes special talent and skill and abilities that every single one of us has. So may we be zeicha im yirtzeh Hashem, to find ways to build ourselves, to raise ourselves, to see the good inside of ourselves, push away the negative, push away the bad, push away those things which end up hurting us much, much more than helping us. And in that schus, be'ez Hashem, will be the bainim, will be the builders of ourselves, the bainim, the builders of Klal Yisrael, and the builders of this beautiful world that HaKadosh Baruch has entrusted into our hands. Wishing everybody a wonderful day.